Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. So this is reblogging. Then the property we're selling is located in Barangay Poblacion, Tabuaylan, Cebu. Southern part or west part of Cebu province. So the nearest of this Tabuaylan is somewhere in going to San Remigio and Bugo, Tabuaylan, Tuburan. Di adapita guys. So this is the property for sale. The size, there are around 5 tax declarations. Then each tax declaration has different sizes. Line og mga gidakon. So, total ni siya og 7 hectares, a total of 7 hectares. So, the first one is 1 hectares plus, 1.4 hectares na ay 1.3 hectares. There is also half hectare for sale at 150 pesos per square meter. So 150 pesos per square meter. It's a rolling terrain located in Barangay Poblacion, Tabuaylan, Cebu. Water, electricity are available. So there is a water and electricity. So ano siya guys? Usually guys, no, sa Utah, the soil are rocky, batuon, but still can be farmed. Pwede gihapon ma-farming. You can still convert into a farming. Because as you can see, there are so many grasses, no. Tutubo magyapon mga sagbot. So rolling, then signal, electricity, water na available. So this is a good listing. So not belong to timberland. Dili siya timberland guys, because the owner has already got the copy of their tax declaration under lot status. Although one of this property which is for sale also is 4,000 square meters is already a titled property. And they are selling a higher price at 300 pesos. So ang tax declaration guys, gibaligya lang nila og tag 150 pesos per square meter. Meaning there is a difference between the title and the tax declaration. So maybe we can go to the property, no, then bring the owner if you are really interested, so that we can clarify where is the title property located and the tax declaration. But this portion is part of tax declaration, kining aside. So still we can have a good farming. You can have poultry or piggery. So it's really nice, no. So just few minutes drive from National Highway and beaches, mga dagat, no. Taghan sa diha og mga beach ng Tabuaylan guys. It is facing Negros Island. So nagatubang na siya sa Negros. So okay ra sad siya kaayo gyud, honestly. So ato ra nagikuan sa tong computer, no. So mao na siya. So kuan lang guys, kanang batuon lang yun, no? Batuon. Pero okay ra sad na farming. Although they are planting corn. Tanom sila mais diha. Then there are also parte sa property which is a hilly, bungkid o like a chocolate hills, mura ni bungtod siya guys. So nindot sa to balayan. So nice to have a residential house on the top. So the road is traversing to the property. So meaning bot pasabot na ko guys ang kalsada gyud ni agi gyud sa yuta. So meaning nakuhaan ang yuta sa kalsada. But still the owner allow on this situation because side by side the property is already along the road, and this road is going to become a concrete road because there are already some portions of this connecting road that are already concreted or starting to concrete by the government. So ang bot pasabot na ko guys nga ang mga karsada ani nga sumpay gisiminto na, although this kind of road kay mura magidaginot nila ang kalsada, siminto manang nastunga, no, the center is not concrete, only the side, no, side by side of the property. Then neighborhood, there's no problem, no. I heard that there are lawyers, no, both property nearby, no. Actually in this location you cannot see the neighbor, but if you just walk from here, from this portion, no, kita nimo na murag boundary marking, there are houses already on the left side. If you just walk a little, I think 50 meters from this road, there are neighborhoods. So daghan na sagsilingan diha guys. So it's really a good property listing guys. So nindot sa ni. Maybe I can go back soon, no, when it's okay nasa akong kuan oras. So mao ra gid ni ang yuta guys, no. It's rocky and rolling terrain. Then very nice because it's really fresh air, no? Hangin-hangin din napita because it's nearer to the sea. So dol-dol naman po ni sa dagat, more or less from highway naara gid nis mga 1.5 to 2 kilometers from national highway. So mao ra gid na ayang gilayon. But I think the rough road is more or less around 1 kilometer sa guys. So ana sad, no, nabahin-bahin. So there gonna be some concrete roads, then there's also rough roads. There are also rough roads. So nasa mga rough road. So but anyway, it's still good property because it is along the road. I repeat, the sizes are different, no, but one family, one owner will sell to this property. One family, usa ka pamilya, they are heirs, mga anak na ang nagbaligya. Then they are selling their property because they have a tax declaration area, lot area of 1.4 hectares, 1.3 hectares and more, no. And there is also half hectares or 5,000 square meters, and there is also a 4,000 square meters. So maybe soon I can go back, no, to get some drone of this property. So for inquiries, just contact me, no, and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So kontak lang yung kudaan kay aron may schedule na to ang site inspection because ako ra bagyod ang nakaibalo diri dapita. So mana guys, nila na direct to owner. So mamani pa uso sa uban direct to owner. Actually I am direct with the owner yun, no, kay he is contacting me that they have a land for sale. So mao na siya guys. So if ever you can buy the whole, much better, the whole 7 hectares. So mao na nakanindot, no, kay the owner has already taken documents from the DNR to make sure that the property can be titled property soon. So he said that he have already take some necessary documents for titling in their lands, but they are decided to sell, so that is why they are not continuing to process. So muna siya guys. So 150 pesos per square meter, except the one with titled already, they are selling at 300 pesos per square meter, negotiable. So mangyo pa tong isa. Pwede siguro na depende na mahurot og hotdon gyud ang 7 hectares. Nindot yun makasa Actually, asking price naman, always asking price can be negotiated magyud. Di magita maka-determine nga maingon nga fix dili. Mabot yun ang panahon nga pwede ra gyud na mahangyo. So wala man koy kuan, matabang lang ta. I can help in selling the property. So ingon ani ang road going to the property, back and forth. So mao na siya guys, vice versa. So another turn. Okay, so very nice. Napay gitamnan nilag mais. So kira baya po. So barato raman, 150 pesos per square meter. Okay, again, if you have properties or property for sale, just contact me and I will help you sell your property. So pwede ra ko makatabang ubaligya sa inyong property guys, provided so mao na ni ang concrete road guys going to back and forth to the property. So mao na later on kung masimentado, so lahi na sad siguro ang presyo. So for now still maayo pa. So thank you.